In this video, I'll show you how to disable call forwarding on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is open the phone's app on your device. And then within the phone application, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And then from the options that appear, simply select Settings. Now within the settings, all you have to do is select calling accounts and then select call forwarding settings and then choose the line that you'd like to disable call forwarding for if you have dual SIM, and then allow it to read the call forwarding settings. So give it a few seconds. Now once the settings have been read, find the option that you'd like to disable. So let's say for instance, I had enabled when unanswered, sorry. So if you'd like to disable call forwarding, simply select the option you prefer. And then you should see this option turn off. So simply select turn off. And that will disable call forwarding on your Redmi Note 14. You can repeat the same process for all the other options that you had enabled. So let's say for instance, this one. All you have to do is select it. And then tap on turn off. And that will disable call forwarding on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.